Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you. We got a breaking news story that Iran has banned Bitcoin mining, echoing China after blackouts, I guess, in Iran the other day. So we'll take a look at this Bloomberg article here, take a look at the charts. Bitcoin right now hovering at about 38,700. So we are starting to see somewhat of a price swing back to the upside. We'll have to see if this is going to last. We'll take a look at those charts here in a second, but let's go ahead and cue that intro and get started on today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, folks. Hit the notification bell. Check out the links in the description box below. Help support the channel. We keep these videos ad-free just for y'all. And then also you can join us on our private trading group page. We post everything inside of Discord. And make sure that you have a Discord username if you are going to get signed up with us. We use Patreon as a payment processor. All right, so taking a look here, let's kind of zoom in here. Iran banned the mining of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin after a series of blackouts across major cities and the latest sign of growing unease over the digital asset energy usage. The ban is effectively immediately and will last upon September 22nd, President Hassan Rouhani said on state TV on Wednesday. It follows a regional ban within top Bitcoin mining country China and electric car maker Tesla Inc. decision to stop selling cars using the token. Both city environmental concerns triggered a drop in Bitcoin's value from April's record highs. Iranian officials blame a surge in mining as a increased manufacturing and a drop of hydroelectricity supply for the blackouts that are playing havoc within business and daily life. Drought in crypto mining fuel Iran's business, choking blackouts. The government has been cracking down on the 85% of mining that is unlicensed, even in listing spies to locate miners who hide computers everywhere from homes to mosques. Subsidized power prices allow miners to run the complex computers that compute to solve mathematical problems to receive Bitcoin as a reward. The University of Cambridge estimates Iran was home of 3.4% of Bitcoin mining in the first 4 months of 2020, putting it in 6th place globally, with China far in front at 69.3%. Another estimated by analytics company Eptilic puts the Islamic Republic share at more than a percentage point higher. Iran's 50 licensed mining centers are spread across 14 in its 31 provinces and consume a combined 209 megawatts of electricity. Grid operator Tavrin said the statement on Wednesday, according to the semi-official Temsiam news agency. Iran is negotiating with the U.S. and other world powers to revive the 2015 nuclear deal, which would ease sanctions and allow foreign companies to provide much-needed infrastructure investment in its power grid. So, yeah, it looks like Iran definitely is one of the top leaders in also Bitcoin mining too as well, but you can see that it's kind of hurting their overall, I guess, business production and economy. That's to say that this may be FUD. Honestly, I've heard that Iran has banned crypto before, or India has banned crypto before. I mean, all I was looking at today were just FUD articles. So it does look like that there is maybe to be some FUD here in these markets, just as Bitcoin kind of takes a little bit of a breather right now under $40,000. I think we did touch all the way up to 40,000 as of a couple hours ago, and now we're starting to see a little bit of trickling off. So this article, or the Iran blackouts, could be due to some of that price volatility and correspondence with that too as well. But let's go ahead and jump on over into the charts and see what's going on over there for today's video. All right, folks, so let's zoom in here. Weekly still not really showing us a big sign there, but our daily chart here, if we kind of zoom out, let's or zoom in just a tad bit, we can see right now Bitcoin price is hovering at about 38,600, so right underneath $40,000. And we are also having this nice little trend line break here on our daily chart. We did break above resistance, and now we're starting to see possibly a little bit of a rally here. Market cipher on the daily chart still showing a nice little upswing here of momentum, getting back up above that 60% level too as well. Money flow still in the red, but we are starting to possibly see it want to recover here just a tad bit. So that would be relatively nice to see that also start to recover. Hash ribbons are still in a recovery phase as of right now, so we'll have to see if our hash ribbons are going to give us that buy signal anytime soon. We just need to remain patient on this and kind of just wait it out, I believe, to see what's going to happen here if we are going to get that buy signal on the hash ribbons. Let's take a look at the 12-hour chart. 12-hour chart still breaking above our resistance trend line here. On our candlestick patterns, we are starting to see our lime green candles take place with our Decentrader indicator. And yeah, it looks like we're about to break above that 21 EMA too as well. Market Cipher possibly wanting to get back up above that 0% level too as well, which would indicate that we are back in bullish territory. And yeah, I'm looking forward to breaking through up above that 0 pivot point. Our 6-hour chart is also showing that our momentum waves on Market Cipher are still nice and sitting above that 0% level, which definitely indicates that we are in some bullish territory as of right now. Let's see if we can hold that support there. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, pretty much the same thing here. We're starting to see the money flow start to recover on our 4-hour chart too as well. So this is definitely giving us a nice little indication that the markets are starting to recover, possibly money flow starting to move back up. And let's keep zooming in here. Take a look at the 2-hour chart. Have we started to see a complete recovery yet? It does look like we are seeing a little bit of a sell-off as of right now. We did come back down to retest this trend line here as once resistance, now support. And so if I'm just going to draw this out a little bit further here, because this is definitely going to possibly remain support for us if we come back down to retest it. I'm not saying that we are going to come back down and retest it, but that's sitting at about $34,000 if we do come back down that direction. Let's see if we can get probably a bullish cross here with our EMAs on the 2-hour, then more than likely that's definitely going to signal a nice little bullish rally for us. It looks like we are getting rejected a little bit by the 100 EMA, and now we're finding support on the 21. If we continue to find support on the 21, then we're probably looking for a bullish cross here. Money flow on Market Cipher here on the 2-hour chart is still headed to an upwards trajectory. So we'll just have to kind of wait and see. Let's see what the highest buy signal we've gotten so far. I believe all the way now until our 8-hour chart, we've gotten a buy signal with our MarketGod indicator too as well. So MarketGod giving us a buy signal on our 8-hour. And yeah, I'm thinking we'll probably have a nice little rally to continue to the upside here. We'll probably want to see that buy signal also on the 12-hour chart. But you know, now that we've gotten these buy signals on some of these mid time frames, our money flow is starting to recover too. I definitely think that this rally could possibly last a little bit longer than most people anticipate. You know, there is a possibility that we still get one more downside movement after our hash ribbons buy signals for us. I am possibly still expecting that, but I still think that this is a great time to continue to dollar cost average. If you have any dry powder on the side, this is definitely a buying opportunity for yourself to you know, continue this bull market rally into the rest of 2021 that I think we're probably going to have a substantial amount of gains in too as well. So let's see if we've gotten above. You know, I'm thinking we'll probably come back up here to retest the 21 EMA on the daily chart, which is about $44,000, and then our price target above that would probably be about $58,000. That's kind of what we're looking at with the 1-point extension after our trend line break here. Of this resistance trend line is about 58K. So yeah, I'm thinking that, you know, once we get back up above our 21 EMA here on the daily chart, we'll probably continue to see a rally. So let's see if we get the bullish cross on the 2-hour chart with the 21 and the 100, then I'm definitely looking for probably another big rally to the upside here. But you know, we could come back down if we do get another sell-off. We're going to be looking at this trend line that we broke through as now support for us, which is right at about $34,000. So let's see what happens here, folks. Definitely keep your eyes posted on the charts, and then also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bells. We keep you updated pretty much every single day on this channel, so definitely feel free to tune in. Check the links in the description box below. We also have our private trading group page. Everything that we post is on Discord. We just use Patreon as a payment processor. So once you get signed up for Patreon, make sure that you have a Discord username, and you can attach it to your Patreon account, and then you'll be granted access to our Discord server too as well. So folks, I look forward to seeing y'all then. Thanks for tuning in. CTO signing out. Peace.